How to turn on or turn off screen timeout to 30 seconds with power saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So after click on battery, click on power saving. So after click on power saving, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see set screen timeout to 30-second button is here. So if you want to turn off, set screen timeout to 30 seconds. So turn off this button, you will see set screen timeout to 30 seconds is turn off. So if you want to turn on, set screen timeout to 30 seconds, so turn on this button. So you will say set screen timeout to 30 seconds is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off set screen timeout from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off screen timeout to 30 seconds on with the power saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.